Hey everyone, welcome to your drawing assignments. So I'd like to do an example of the process, something similar to what you should be going through at home when you're working on your drawing assignments. They're scheduled to be an every other day thing. So I'm going to get started with Tuesday, March 31st. I have on my computer my assignments pulled up so I can see that it says for March 31st, I'm going to be planning out my idea for tomorrow's drawing. So what I've done is looked ahead to tomorrow's drawing, which was draw the view through a window. So I picked out a window that's just in my studio space at home. So this is the view out my window, and there's Bennett. He's keeping me company today. It's just my neighbor's house really that I can see outside my window. So I wanted to pick, a window that I would be excited about drawing what's outside of it. But that's not always, going to happen. So I'm okay with a view outside of here. I'm going to sit here and draw it. You might want to explore your home a little bit, go around to different windows and see what it looks like outside of that window. So I sat myself in front of the window. And what I'm going to do is sit in the same spot looking out my window until my drawing's done, because I want to be looking from the same spot the whole time. So if I'm getting my drawing started, I'm going to use a pencil. I'm just working in my sketchbook. You can work on any drawing surface. Those were explained in the directions for the assignments. So what I did is started my sketch. So at the top of my sketchbook paper, I wrote April 1st. View through a window. So that's how I'm documenting, okay, this is my assignment for April 1st and what I'm drawing, and that's just making things a little bit easier for me. So I want you to set this up how it works for you. And what I did is I did a pencil sketch of the view. So I sat in the spot and started to sketch. So I still have a little bit more to do, so I'm going to continue to observe and add the things that I see. But once my sketch is done, then I can start to add a new material. So maybe this is just going to be a pencil drawing. Maybe I just start shading everything in and adding more detail with pencil, and that's fine. I could use a pen, I could use color pencils, markers, I could use anything to fill this in, but my goal is going to be to make it look like a complete and finished drawing so that I can finish my assignment correctly. That's what I'm going to look for. It's just your best effort. Think about the things that we've learned about in class so far if you're able to. And when I'm done with this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a picture of my whole drawing, and I'm even going to include the title on the top. That way I know, okay, when I'm turning this in, Miss Inman knows what I was working on. So I'm going to take a picture of this when it's finished for tomorrow's assignment. So I'm going to keep working on it today and tomorrow, and then on Google Classroom, I'm going to upload my picture to the assignment there. So this whole week, you can click on the one assignment that's for this week and keep adding your pictures to it. You do not have to add a picture every day, but they're due every other day. So to stay on track for the projects, you want to just make sure you're doing that. But if you upload a drawing a day late, that's not my biggest concern right now. So please try your best. Take your time, get creative, and for each of these assignments, you just want to think about how you're gonna do this the best that you can. One thing that I want to remind you all of is that on BB9 there are going to be some more resources for you. So if I'm looking at my assignments and I continue to scroll down, there's going to be videos of me added, doing my drawings. There's videos of other art YouTube channels that are really helpful. So really use your resources, have fun, get creative. I cannot wait to see what you all make.